am back with another video, and I am juicing today. So I'm just gonna jump right in. Here are the ingredients: beetroot, cucumber, sliced lemon, so lemon peeled and sliced, and then of course a little ginger. I always like to have ginger in my juice. So I am going to be using mason jars. See these mason glass jars? I have slices of lemon at the bottom. I'm going to use them to store the juice, and when I'm ready to take them on the go, I can either close it up with the cover like this, seal it up tightly, and then when I'm ready to drink, I can just have this over it, put a straw, and I'm good to go. So I will make my juice, store it in the refrigerator, and we're in business, guys. Okay, hope you're all doing great. I am going to start juicing, and here goes nothing. This is the cucumber, and mostly cucumber. That's why the color is light, but I'm pouring it into the beetroot. And lemon. Lemon is inside as well. We have some foam, all the delicious goodness. Okay guys, here is the final product. Our juice is ready. No water, all juice. So this is the beetroot, the cucumber, the lemon, sliced peeled lemon, and a little bit of ginger. So it's ready. Let's pour into our mason jars. Look at that, guys. Delicious goodness. Look at that. We have our lemon slices in there. Exactly 3 mason jars. And this mason jar is about, let's see, how many cups? 1, 2, 3 cups. 3 cups. Yep, and that's, I think, 24 ounces. 3 cups. I have 3 jars of juice. So guys, we are ready to go. Imagine having this with your lunch or breakfast, or just to get your day jump started, if you will. And Can't wait to try some. It is delicious, naturally sweet. The beetroot has that little bit of sweet flavor, but then I want some acidity from the lemon. That's why I added lemon, and of course a little bit of punch or kick from the ginger. So beetroot is good for you. I'm going to list all the benefits in the description box, so do check out the description box. I'll also list the benefit of cucumbers, as well as ginger. Ginger, you can check it out on my previous juicing video, or you can go to google.com and search for ginger, benefits of ginger, as well as lemon, of course. Okay guys, hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.